yoga curious? If so, I've got a workshop coming up on Saturday, November 4th that's going to satisfy your curiosity about yoga. I'm going to be presenting a workshop that is going to give you the foundation for all of the core poses in yoga. So if you've ever wondered what it would feel like to flow gracefully from one pose to the next, this workshop is for you. After you take this workshop, you'll be able to go to a yoga class at any studio or any gym and feel like a true yogi. So on Saturday, November 4th, I'll be doing an hour-and-a-half session. It'll be from 11 to 12:30, and it's only $20. So there is no reason for you not to sign up. Go to my website, www.fitnessdestinationfun.com. Go to the classes page and sign up for this workshop and be the true yogi you've always wanted to be. Let's go.